Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome and hello. In today's video I have a PR package from Born Pretty. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned and we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, so this is the package that I received. I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to go ahead and open it together. Okay. And whenever I get packages from them, I normally get about 5 polishes. And they usually come wrapped like this. So if you guys are interested in videos like this, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're doing that, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly get these out the bag so we can see exactly what it is that I got. Okay, so we have 3 7 ml bottles, as you can see, and they always come wrapped with that cellophane paper or whatever that is that's on there. So, and then I have 2 in the black bottle, which is 10 mls. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove this plastic off camera. Okay guys, just like that, I'm back. Okay, so first let's just see what we got. So this first one is a thermal nail gel. And that's the number. And like I said, the white bottles are the 7 ml and the black bottles are the 10 ml. And they come in a like a black finish, matte finish, as you can tell, with the little gold rings. Okay, so let's see what color this is. This looks black. I am going to swatch these guys, so as I'm showing it to you, I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it. Get some more light. Sorry if you guys hear that noise. So, let's get some swatch sticks. And we're going to see what this does. Okay, so I got that one in the light. And then the next color is Born Pretty Matter Eggshell Top Coat. And I actually already have one of these, so I'm not going to swatch this. But basically what this does, it gives you that eggshell look. So you can put this over any color polish. I mean, I wouldn't put it over black. Any dark color where you won't see it because it has a black speck. So you will want something lighter so you can see the effect that this gives. And when it dries, it's going to dry matte. So that's what that looks like. I will leave links to all of the items that I have if you guys are interested in purchasing it. Okay, so the next color is a thermal nail gel. And it's a purple. So, try to wipe this off. And if you guys aren't familiar with Born Pretty, they really have some really good polishes. I haven't had any that I can recall that I was disappointed in. Their gel polishes are pretty smooth. So if you guys are interested in getting a collection, I would definitely say try Born Pretty. And they're very inexpensive. so you can get a lot for your money. Okay, so that's what that color looks like. And then the next color is BP84, and it looks like it's a red. So yes, this is a red. I'm gonna go ahead and polish that. I think I got this color too. I have to go back and look. This would be a great Christmas red. I hope I was in the camera when I was swatching it. If I didn't, guys, I apologize. I wasn't even looking up. Now I'm wondering, was I in frame for the other ones that I swatched? I was so focused on swatching it, I wasn't even paying attention, if you guys can see, so I do apologize. BP78, and that looks to be a green. So that's what that color looks like. Oops, I wasn't in frame. This is so pretty. That is so pretty. And that's one coat. And it self-levels too. I noticed that about their polishes, their gel polishes. So I won't even put a second coat on this one, because that is like full coverage right there. That is so pretty. Okay. Okay guys, before I show you those swatches, this is the swatch stick of the eggshell that I was talking about. And that's what that would look like. So I didn't put any matte top coat on it, it just finishes to a matte. So this is one that I had swatched from a previous video that I've done. So we're gonna pull the two regular colors out, and this is what they look like. I had already swatched these twice off camera. I mean, put a second coat off camera. So those were those two look like. These are so pretty. And like I said, I only did one coat of the green one, but I did do 2 coats of the red. So those are those. And then the next two are the thermal. Okay, so that one that looks black is really like actually not a black. When I went to swatch it again, it almost gives you like this brownish look. Once I really looked at it, it's like a brownish black. I don't know, it's weird. It's a weird looking color, but when you swatch it, I mean when you put it in the heat, it goes white. So that's what it looks like when it's warm. Okay, and then the purple one, I'm sorry, you guys can't even see this. Put it down some. So it goes from purple to pink. It almost has like an ombre look to it. That is so cool. So in the cold, it's gonna go purple, and the heat is gonna go pink. I'll do this one again for you guys so you can see it turn. So those are the two thermal colors. This is a very interesting color. I wouldn't even know what. It's like a brownish. I don't know how to describe it. It's weird. I've never seen a color like this before. But you can tell it turns back really quick. I'm curious to see how dark this will go. So I'm going to get some cold water just to see what that looks like. So give me a second. Okay guys, so I have the cold water. I'm just curious to see would it get any darker. You could tell a little bit. So yeah, so I wouldn't even know. It's like a, it gives you like a purplish, a very, very deep plum, I should say. And a brown, almost, I don't know, it's weird. I don't know how to describe this color. But yeah, so that's what they look like. So like I said, you get the Eggshell Mat, would look like this. And that's this one right here. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to be putting this up in a giveaway because I already have one, so I don't need to. And then your thermal nail TN01 is this purple. It goes from purple to pink. And then you get your other thermal. I'm not sure what color this is, but that's the second one, which is this color right here. And that's the purple thermal. And then we have our red BP84. Move this out the way. And then we have BP78, which is the green. So these are all 5 gel polishes that I have. So if you guys are interested in this, I will, like I said, leave the links in the description below. If you guys have any comments, make sure you leave them. Any questions, make sure you leave them down below. And like I said, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys be notified each and every time I upload a video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll be doing another PR package, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. And as always guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.